Look at those arms, man. He's huge.
Romania, that short tank type of build. Turkmenistan, that long kind of striker build. But Turkmenistan has shown that they can wrestle too. So we'll see what their strategies are. If you could see us, BG and I are just smiling like little children on Christmas morning. This has been a gift to us. Welcome. I'm so happy to spend this time with you all out there in the world watching the stream. This is the 17th World Wushu Championships here in Brasilia, Brazil, and this has been just spectacular fighting today. The first session of the first day was some of the best fighting I've ever seen, and it just keeps getting better. I don't understand how it can get better. Ooh, a big punch from Turkmenistan. He kind of wobbled him. Oh, good. He pulled his kick. Good sportsmanship. Don't get penalties, right? So we've got Southpaw versus Orthodox. Turkmenistan with these long shots. They are damaging. He is doing great work there. Romania needs to answer back. He can't just sit. I think he's shelling and defending many of them. Yeah, he looks good, but he's got to be careful because they can 8 count you if you take 15 shots and don't do anything.
Nice.
And there's the 2 points. And again, Turkmenistan's really going well, and he's got sharp boxing and a nice front kick
He's
again.
a complete fighter, man.
Wow. And if I'm Turkmenistan, I just saw Lee win, and he's good. Or no, we're in another weight class. We went up.
Down. He works the different movements.
Yeah, beautiful shots. He keeps his elbows in. He throws those straight punches we've been asking for from so many fighters. Big kick.
He explores well the spectrum
but
of Sanda.
Best moment for Romania.
Yep.
And honestly, where the score is, I'd say that's the option for Romania to come back. But a big right hand and a head kick. Oh, he lands his clean straight right again. He's got that target. And this is what you see when you're in the open stance. Southpaw versus Orthodox, the straight rear hand goes right in between the guard if you're good.
I think this is it.
And look at him walking, and there it is. Turkmenistan knows.
Are they allowed to do that?
What's that?
Just to walk. See?
He can be warned if he stepped off the late eye.
See, that's because it was a gap, right?
Yeah. Let's see. He knew he was close, but there's 10 to 5, 6 to 14. Yeah, just the round. But look at the replay. That high kick. It was the kicks up the middle that were doing the scoring, though.
But
and
what I
meant
that was still like 3 seconds to go. And they said, no, it's enough for us.
Yeah.
Well,
they sometimes do this. They don't want to engage. We saw some more of those right hands on the replay, and that has been it. Front kicks up the middle for Muhammet.
Yep.
The right cross straight down the middle against the southpaw opponent.
Yep.
Threatening with some high kicks with the roundhouse too, which just keeps you guessing. You have to spread your guard to block the high kick, and then the right hand can come down the middle, or the front kick can go lower down the middle. So even though he hasn't scored with the high kick a lot, it's hitting hard too, and it's disrupting the balance, so he's not getting punished for it. It's doing damage, not scoring, but disrupting. And there's that front kick again, just like we said.
I would guess that the red tank is about to try to shorten the distance.
Yes. And we see him looking a little faster, twitchy looking. Romania's twitching and moving forward. He knows he's got to get on it, or he's going to go home with a bronze. And I think that's why you see Muhammet just popping out that quick left front kick. He doesn't need something strong. He just, hey, you're not going to get near me. Front kick again. And the best moment for Romania was that he got a ring out, so he knows it's possible. And so it's with his build and with his striking, he knows it's going to be a hard battle to go punch for punch, kick for kick.
Yes.
So he needs to get either a big strike, but with that head movement, it's going to be hard. So the ring out, some kind of wrestling. I'm surprised he's not driving in more often.
Yes, none of this is going to happen if he doesn't take the control of the range.
Yeah,
the
he's
range.
sitting out at the range. And you see that, how comfortable Turkmenistan is now.
Yes, and he's gonna keep like this.
Yeah, he's going to test. He's going to see, what do you do? Do you reach? Do you block? And then switch to his right cross and clinch. Yeah. Romania should, and we see Turkmenistan switch his stance a little bit, see if he could get a leg kick. I would think Romania would want to turn this into almost a wrestling match, and
Yeah.
he's playing it like it's a kickboxing match, but he's standing in front of a guy who looks like an excellent high-level kickboxer.
With longer
who's-
arms and longer legs.
Exactly, who has so much more reach. Good, good. That's exactly
Okay.
what he needs.
Now he's got 24 seconds to repeat
Yeah,
that.
that was brilliant. Definitely doesn't have enough score to win, so he needs that. That's the
Just
only
have
thing
to
he's
tank it up
really
and
got.
go and rush over, run over the
Yeah. But you see Turkmenistan standing
Turkmenistan.
on the
Long
IWF
stances.
logo, right? He knows
Yep.
center the ring.
Oh.
Up, blue touchdown, 2 points. He's got enough
Might
of a
be
lead.
important.
He's got enough of a lead. It doesn't
Does
matter.
he? Yeah.
The ring out or a knockout is what would matter right now. And he's doing
You've
great.
got 5 seconds, man.
This is it. Romania's just got to go for it. He knows. He knows. He sees it.
Yeah.
And I don't blame him. He just saw the long legs. I know you might think, oh, he should have sprinted
Yeah.
at him. He knew he would just look like he's chasing after
Yes.
a toddler at the park or something. Come back, come back, come back. He wasn't going to be able to get
But
it.
you know, I must point that his coach was so gentle, and he smiled at him and said, I know, I saw that you did your best.
I like this Romanian coach. He looks like a fun guy. I've seen him have that reaction.
Yes.
He smiled. He's giving smirks as he's won and
Okay.
turned stuff around. He's
He
gotten
did a good
excited
job.
for his
Yes.
fighter to move on. But he seems like a very kind guy. And I think he knows his fighter's build and his fighter's strengths and weaknesses. He knows his fighter's going to do well if he can get in there and wrestle.
Now,
He's built like a
our
tank, and he
next
knows
bout,
this build
men's
from
85
Turkmenistan